If ever you go to Dublin town in 100 years or so, inquire for me in Bagot Street and what I was like to know. Oh, he was a queer one, for the little I know he was a queer one, and I'll tell you. My great-grandmother knew him well. He asked her to come and call on him in his flat, and she giggled at the thought of a younger, lovely fall. Oh, he was dangerous, for the little I know he was dangerous, and I'll tell you. On Pembroke Road, look out for me ghost, dishevelled with shoes untied, playing through the railings with the little children whose children have long since died. Oh, he was a nice man, for the little I know he was a nice man, and I'll tell you. Go into a pub and listen well, if me voice still echoes there. Ask the men where their grandsires thought, and tell them to answer fair. Oh, he was eccentric, for the little I know he was eccentric, and I'll tell you. Making men feel as small as they really were, which meant as great as God had made them, but as males that disliked his air. Oh, he was a proud one, for the little I know he was a proud one, and I'll tell you. If ever you go to Dublin town in 100 years or so, sniff for me personalities, at vanity's vapour now. Oh, he was a vain one, for the little I know he was a vain one, and I'll tell you. I saw his name with 100 more in a book in the library. It said he had never fully achieved his potentiality. Oh, he was slothful, for the little I know he was slothful, and I'll tell you. He knew that posterity has no use for anything but the soul, the lines that speak, the passionate heart, the spirit that lives alone. Oh, he was a lone one, for the little I